Hello, this is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you, the Wise Owl 2. You know, ooh, ooh, that kind of owl. I just had to simplify it. Before me, I'm taking a video shot of a bag of Ruffles sour cream and onions flavored chips. Now you're probably saying to yourself, what in the world is wrong with this guy? Why is he spending all his battery charge and energy and time, all his time consuming, taking a bag of Ruffles sour cream and onions flavored chips? Is he nuts or what? No, just to demonstrate that all around us we have chemical symbols. All around us. And if you can see here, we have a bag of Ruffles, and Ruffles have nothing but chemical symbols. The name Ruffles. Even cream has chemical symbols, and onion has chemical symbols. Sour has all the chemical symbols except for the R. You got the S for sulfur, you got O for oxygen, U for uranium, but the R is not there unless you join it to something else. Okay, but cream, you have cream and you have onions, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do Ruffles. If you look at the word Ruffles, let me put it down here. Capital R-U-F-F-L-E-S. We got the capital R and a small u for ruthenium, which is the element name of ruthenium. Is the element name for the chemical symbol of R, capital R and a small u. Now, ruthenium is spelled capital R-U-T-H-E-N-I-U-M, and it has an atomic number of 44. Now, if you're not doing atomic numbers, if you're just studying the chemical symbols, just take your hand or a piece of paper and just cover the atomic numbers for now, and then just work on the chemical symbols like the capital R and the small u. Okay, for ruthenium. Okay, whatever you do, unless you want to do both and do it this way, I think it's the best way to do it, right? And then you got the capital F. I took the small f from your Ruffles and made a capital F with an atomic number of 9. Capital F is a chemical symbol for the element's name of fluorine, which is spelled capital F-L-U-O-R-I-N-E for fluorine. Then we took the small f here, right here, this f here, we capitalized it, and we used the L, we used the lowercase l. So we got capital F and a small l, and atomic number is 114. That's right, it's very heavy. Its atomic number is 114. And capital FL is the chemical symbol for fluorovium. Capital F-L-E-R-O-V-I-U-M. I thought it was spelled with a V between the R and the O. See right here? I thought it was a V there. Maybe I was wrong. So don't take me at my word. When you get the periodic table out and see if it's spelled with the V or not with the V, okay? Okay, so it's capital F-L-E-R-O-V-I-U-M. Now, I've seen it spelled before, capital F-L-E-R-V-O-V-I-U-M. But it's still the same pronunciation. Fluorovium. It's the same thing almost. When you put the V or not, I'm just saying, okay? And that's a capital F and the L. Now, capital F and the L, fluorovium is a new element just added to the periodic table of elements not too long ago. So whatever happens, if you have an old periodic table, you may not see it there. But if you have a new periodic table of elements, you will see it there, all right? Okay, and then we got capital E. We took the small e here, and we took capital E and a small s for Einsteinium. Capital E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N-I-U-M. Albert Einstein. Einsteinium. Just take the spell Einstein and add an I-U-M. All right? That has the atomic number of 99. That should be easier to remember. Okay. So there you go. I don't have to put this down in the periodic table of elements. Description box. I don't think I have to put this down in the description box below because everything is simplified. It's a very short lesson. Capital R-U-F-F-L-E-S. So let's say I have a bag of Ruffles, or see a bag of Ruffles, or somebody has eaten a bag of eaten some chips from a bag of Ruffles, you already know how to knock down the chemical symbols, right? Capital RU, ruthenium. Capital F for fluorine. Capital F and a small L for fluoronium. Capital E and a small S for einsteinium. Okay? And then if you want to, you can put down the atomic number. As you see here, there's no atomic number here. You have to know them by heart. So, you know what I'm saying? If you want to get an index card, remember them? With an index card, you can. The atomic number. But if you just study chemical symbols, you know what to do. If I were you, I'd do this. As soon as you see the Ruffles, sit to yourself and point to it and just break down the word Ruffles or the name Ruffles to a chemical symbol as soon as you can. And keep doing it every time you see it. And then before you know it, you'll be reading the periodic table of elements, chemical symbols, and atomic numbers. All right? All right. So I'm not going to put this down in the description box below because this is a short lesson. Ruffles, sour cream and onions, okay? You can knock down cream and onions if you want to do homework, extra homework. Knock down the CR, knock down the capital C, the RE, the capital A, and the M. And then the onions, you can do it more than one way. Depends how you're going to knock it down. You can mix it up and everything here. Okay, if you want to do homework. All right, Ruffles, okay? There you go, all right? Capital RU, capital F, small L, capital E, small s, okay? And then you just name it right here. Ruthenium, fluorine, fluoronium, einsteinium. I seen, now remember, I seen the word fluoronium, the element fluoronium with a V between the R and the O. I seen it that way. But in this case, I don't see it here. All right. Depends how you see it, all right? This Y is out 2, coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out. Here. I will do it again, see? There you go. And there you go. All right? Capital FL for fluoronium is a new element. If you have a old periodic table of elements, you're not going to see it there. Okay? Einsteinium. There you go. One more time. So, Ruffles. Okay? There you go.